Hi, I'm Sean McBride, and we're at Revival Freeride Skate Shop here in Ogden, Utah. Today we're going to talk about longboard techniques. Now, when you first stand on a longboard, you don't stand on it like a skateboard. You don't want your weight towards the back, and you don't have your foot on the back tail of the longboard. You're going to want to have your weight and your feet more centered to the front of the board. Once you're centered on the front of the board, use your front foot to do most of the controlling. The front wheels will turn and the back of the board will be responsive and turn with the front of the board. Once you start turning, make sure to keep your weight on your front foot, keep your shoulders centered, and the lower you are to the ground, the lower your center of gravity is, making it easier to keep your balance. A good sliding technique is to make sure that all your weight is on your front foot. As you begin the slide, make sure you're coming in at a proper angle. Take all the weight off your back foot and let it swing all the way around till you're going backwards. Then put the weight on both your feet and ride away. A good technique for going down big hills on a longboard is make sure you're at the front of the longboard, your weight is centered between both feet equally, you're slightly crouched to keep your center of balance low, and as you go down the hill, make sure not to get speed wobble, which will throw you left and right. Try and keep things steady and keep looking in front of you. Don't look at the ground right below you. If you do these things, you'll have great technique when longboarding. And those are some good techniques on a longboard.